Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, we are going to fix a very common problem of Windows 10 and Windows 11. Mouse wheel scrolling problem. In order to fix mouse wheel scrolling problem, click on the search icon and type control. And you will find the best match, that is control panel. So open the control panel, and once you click on that, a window will appear like this. If you don't see a window like this, then what you can do is you can click on this view by click on category, large icons or small icons, and then we are looking for mouse. Click on mouse. Once you click on mouse option, some tabs will appear like buttons, pointers, pointer options, wheel and hardware. So from the button first, if this pointer is nearby slow, please drag it to the fast, and once this is done, click on this wheel option. And here check the value of vertical scrolling and horizontal scrolling. In my computer, both the vertical scrolling and horizontal scrolling are 3. So check in your case and see what exactly the value is, and if it is already 3, I will recommend you to go for 5 or 7. So here I will type 5 and I will type 4 in the horizontal scrolling. So once you are satisfied, just click on apply and click OK. After doing this all, just restart your computer and see if your mouse wheel scrolling problem has been fixed or not. I hope this short tutorial has helped you. Thanks for your time.